Hello, everyone. This is Justin Gu with the fourth question from the 2009 school sprint round. So, as you can see, here's our question above. For what value of n is 3 plus 3/4 minus n equal to n plus 1/2? And we want to express our answer as a common fraction. So, this question should just be some simple equation. We're simply just solving for n here. So what we're first going to do is we're going to take a 3 and 3/4 and we're going to convert this into a fraction. So essentially what we can turn 3 and 3/4 into, we're going to turn it into 12/4 plus 3/4, right? Because 12/4, you divide 12 by 4, you get 3. So these two terms are equivalent. Now we're going to add this together. We'll get 15/4. So we have 15/4 minus n is equal to n plus 1/2. Now we're gonna take a look at our 1/2 and we want to convert this into something that is compatible with the 15/4, right? So in order to be able to work with these together, we need to have them have a common denominator. And there are two ways to do this. I can either take this one and divide it by 2. However, 15 is an odd number, so I would get decimal, and we don't like decimals in our fractions. So we're going to multiply the 1/2 by 2/2. So this will take us to 15/4 minus n equals n plus 2/4, right? Because 1/2 times 2/2 is equal to 2/4, right? And this is the same thing as multiplying it by 1, so we can always do this. Now what we're going to do is we're going to combine our like terms. So I'm going to go ahead and subtract 2/4 from both sides. This is a 2, pardon my handwriting. 2, there we go. 2/4. So this will cancel out, and I will be left with a 13/4 here. And then what we're going to do now is we're going to add n to both sides. So we're going to do plus n. And so this will cancel out, and we'll have 13/4 is equal to 2n. Now we need to divide both sides by 2. So keep in mind, dividing by 2 is the same thing as multiplying by the reciprocal. So I'm going to write this as times 1/2 here. So we have times 1/2 on both sides. So 2 times 1/2, that cancels out. So we're left with just n on this side. So now we have 13/4 times 1/2. We multiply the numerators, we're going to have 13. Multiply denominators, we'll have 8. So therefore, our final answer will be 13/8. Again, like we said earlier, make sure that you do not write the n in your final answer. And then since it asks for the final answer as a common fraction, we're going to leave it as an improper fraction and not a mixed number. If they want a mixed number, they will specify. All right. Hopefully this helps.